Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn remaining part of lesson number 11, that is in the world of dictionaries. In previous video we have seen the definition of dictionary. What means dictionary that we have seen. Today we are going to continue this lesson. All dictionaries however are not the same. Depending on who is going to use the dictionary, the information in it is arranged and presented in different way. Do you know that there are different types of dictionaries? Let us look at a few of them. Students, there are different type of dictionaries depending on who is going to use the dictionary. Maybe children, maybe grown up people who is going to use. On that, the information it is arranged and presented in the different ways in different dictionaries. There are many types of dictionaries. From that, children's dictionary means what? That we will see. Some dictionaries are designed. Design means intended or made specially for children. They include only a few thousand words, but there are many pictures and diagrams in children's dictionary. See students, special dictionary for children it is made or designed, and it has a few thousand words. Few thousand only words are there, not more. But that words are shown with the help of many pictures and diagrams in children's dictionaries. There may be also word games, puzzles. Puzzles means very difficult problem. And jokes based on the meaning or use of words. Means in children dictionary there will be word games. Means there will be games on the words. And puzzles will be there. Means difficult questions will be there. And jokes based on the meaning or the use of the words. Next type of dictionary that we are going to see, that is pronouncing dictionaries. Now what means pronouncing dictionary? See, some dictionaries provide only the pronunciation of words. It is shown with the help of special symbols. In pronouncing dictionaries, only the pronunciation of word it is given, and this pronunciation it is shown with the help of special symbols. Students, you can see here a page of dictionary is shown. In that you can see the pronunciation of the word it is shown with the help of special symbols. Next type of dictionary it is dictionaries of synonyms. Some dictionaries give list of synonyms, words which have a similar meaning. They also have or include antonyms or opposites. Students, in the dictionaries of synonyms, in this dictionary the synonyms means similar meaning of the word it is given, and also that words antonyms or opposite word also it is given. In which dictionary? In dictionaries of synonyms. Next type of dictionary it is visual dictionaries. Means what? See, some dictionaries contain only visuals or pictures. Visuals means only what? Pictures. In some dictionary what is there? Only pictures are there. They do not have to explain the meaning of words, as the visuals speak for themselves. In a visual dictionaries, students, the meanings of the word it is not explained or given. Instead of that, visuals or pictures are given, and through the pictures you understand what the word means. The visual speaks for themselves means what? Through picture you understand the meanings of the words. The visuals may be in the form of photographs, diagrams, or hand-drawn pictures. In visual dictionaries, you can see the pictures or the visuals or in the form of photograph, diagrams, or hand-drawn pictures. They are also labeled. Now, labeled means what? Name it is given. Students, here you can see the picture of plant it is given, and the different parts of these plants are labeled, means name is given of different parts of the plants. You can see student here bund. The picture of bund it is named with the bund. After leaves, flowers, stem, fruit, root. Each part of this plant it is labeled, means name is wrote of each part. In the same way, even complicated machines or systems are made simple in a visual dictionary. How the plant is explained with the help of picture in visual dictionary. In that way, complicated machines or systems are also explained with the help of pictures in visual dictionary. Complicated means difficult to do. A system means structure. Next type of dictionary is encyclopedic dictionaries. Encyclopedias are books that give a lot of information on a great number of topics. See students, in encyclopedic dictionaries, if any word is there or topic, about that lot of information is given. Encyclopedic dictionaries do give a lot of information about most of the words they contain. Means whichever words are there in the encyclopedic dictionary, about that lot of information is given in this dictionary. These dictionaries are usually quite thick and contain many more words than the smaller ordinary dictionaries. These dictionaries are usually quite thick, means big in size, they are big and contain many more words compared to smaller ordinary dictionaries. Other dictionaries are there, a children dictionary, pronouncing dictionary. Compared to that dictionary, more words are there in the encyclopedic dictionaries. Next type of dictionary is online dictionaries. What means online dictionary, that we are going to see now. Computers and the internet have brought with them online dictionaries. They are very easy to use. These online dictionaries, where are they? They are on the computer and internet. These online dictionaries you can find on the computers. They are not in a book. Online dictionaries book, it is not there. Online dictionaries are on a computer or internet and they are very easy to use. You just type the word you want to look up and instantly you will or you are shown its meanings, use, etc. Online dictionary, it is very easy. Why? See, because which word you want to look up, that word you have to type. When you will type that word, that time online dictionary, it will show you instantly its meanings and use. And also you can listen the proper pronunciation of that word. A printed dictionary cannot do this. Students, we have seen children dictionary is there, visual dictionary is there, many are there. These dictionary, they are printed dictionary. They can't, with the help of that dictionary, we can't listen the pronunciation. But online dictionary, it is possible. You can hear the proper pronunciation of the word. How the online dictionary it is. To understand this, I have took one example, students. On online dictionary, I have typed word dictionary, means I want to see the meaning of word dictionary. When I type, that time I can see the meaning of the word dictionary. And also you can see the symbol of blue color here, speaker symbol it is. Here you can listen the pronunciation of that word. Then there are some dictionaries that show how a word was used hundreds of years ago, how its use or meaning or spelling changed over the years and how it is used today. Students, there are some dictionaries that show us that any word 100 years ago, how it is used, that it shows, and also how its use or meaning or spelling changed over the years. Means some words use, meaning or spelling change over the years and how it is used today. This also some dictionaries give information to us. A dictionary is must for a student. Students, it is very important that dictionary you should use. You can begin with simple attractive dictionaries and then learn to use the more difficult ones later. So next time you come across a difficult word, don't fret. Fret means worry. Just look it up in the dictionary. You can make your own dictionary, write the meaning and other information about the words you plan to include in your dictionary on cards of the same size. Use a separate card for each word. Arrange the cards in alphabetical order. Your dictionary is ready. Moreover, you can add new words to this dictionary whenever you like. Students, what it is told here, see, you can make your own dictionary. You can write the meanings, other information related to that word that you have planned to write the words in that dictionary, where you can write on the card of same size like this. You can write the words and you can make the dictionary. Use separate card for each word they have told. So you have to use separate card for each word. Arrange the cards in alphabetical order. In this way your dictionary is ready. This part is one part of activity, students. No need to do. If you are interested, you can do. Students, while watching the videos, you keep the textbooks of that subject with you, in front of you, means you will understand which point is going on. Next part, that is the new words of this lesson, we'll see. First, dictionary. Unfamiliar, programs, accompany, alphabetical order, explained, pronunciation, visual, diagrams, encyclopedic, attractive, fret. Students, today's homework, you have to copy the given question answers in English workbook, and you have to write the new words 5 times and you have to learn it. Thank you.